Hi guys! So for today's video, super duper exciting because I'm going to do a skincare test. Diba? Kung merong wear test, merong skincare test. So ang isa skincare test ko ay ang super viral nowadays, super in demand, hot commodity, ang Luxelle skincare by Heart Evangelista. Okay, so I got the Glow and Go kit. So meron siyang kasamang face glowing cleanser, Radiance Beauty Serum, Skin White Frost Cream, and the ever viral Luxelle Centella Sun Cream. Yung kasama sa Glow and Go kit, ganito kaliit. Not gonna work. Bumili ako ng separate na yung full size. So, don't be fooled. Kung bibili ka ng Glow and Go kit, yung kasamang sun serum ay, yeah, ganito kaliit. So, I'll be testing these products for a week, at least a week. So, I'll try to exceed ng more than a week. Tignan natin kung magkakaroon ng difference. I'm hoping magkaroon ng difference at least kahit man lang doon sa first week, kahit slight difference man lang. So, before we start, let's go check my before skin. So, this is the before. Okay, so umpisahan natin sa face glowing cleanser. So, pag binili mo, pero alam nyo, Day, medyo na-disappoint ako nung na-receive ko siya. Kasi, Luxelle, Heart Evangelista. Akala ko, kahit may paper bag man lang, o kaya bonggang packaging, whatsoever. But, no. Bubble wrap, and then, the usual Shopee black na plastic. Hindi nakaka-lux. Ooh! So, ito ang itsura ng packaging. Day! Triangle, Day! Hindi pa bilog. Huwag kang kumeme. So, this is a vitamin C detoxifying face wash. Ano pang chika? Yun na yun. So, dun sa mismong cleanser, wala namang chika. Pero yung overall kit, I mean the set, ang promise niya ay skin brightening, vitamin-rich hydration, and ideal for dull, uneven, and tired skin. I'm always tired. So, feeling ko tired din yung skin ko. So, sige. Umpisahan natin with the cleanser. Wait, babasahin ko lang yung face ko. Okay, so ganyan ang kanyang consistency. Let's lather it on. Amoy, walang amoy. Hindi, may amoy na walang amoy. Teka, yung sabon na oilatum ba yun? Ayun, ganun yung amoy niya. Tingnan natin kung mas bubula pa siya. Wait, kukuha lang ako ng extra water. Wala mo yun, ganito na talaga siya. So, hindi siya yung parang magbabubble. Okay. So, hindi naman siya parang yung feeling pag nagsabon ka ng safeguard sa mukha mo. Oo, hindi naman squeaky yung skin mo right after wash, pero hindi rin naman significantly moisturized. Kasi diba, merong mga facial cleanser na unang wash mo pa lang, ramdam mo na malambot agad yung skin mo or parang moisturized or something like that. May mga na-try na ako before, but this one, wala yung ganung feel. Anyway, let's proceed with the Radiance Beauty Serum. And meron siyang arbutine, tranexamic acid with whitening serum. What the heck is tranexamic acid? Wait. Tranexamic acid is used to treat heavy menstrual bleeding in women. Wait, mali ako nang tinitignan. Okay. An active ingredient that is able to help block the process within the skin, which forms uneven tone and dark spots. Pang brightening and pang skin clarification. Ganyan. Mabigat siya, mi. Ito ang parang glass, pero yung takip hindi. Nakaka-lux naman siya, in fairness. Tingnan natin ang itsura. Very malabnaw. Mabango. Pero hindi naman yung parang overpowering na perfume smell. Skincare. May para siyang close to water na. 10% na lang, parang water na siya. Hindi katulad ng ibang mga serum na parang may konting jelly pa. Ito hindi. Ang bilis na absorb. So, I'm just going to wait ng mga 5 minutes before I apply the next product. Anyway, while waiting, ang flat ng lips natin. Ilagay ulit natin itong colored drip in the shade Bunny para naman hindi ako mukhang patay. Skin White Frost Cream. Meron siyang vitamin C, sea berry, and it's a brightening moisturizer. So, pare-pares lang naman yung chinichika. Pang brightening, pang moisturizing. So, mabigat din siya. So, after serum, apply an appropriate amount. Gently massage until fully absorbed. Oh, rich and creamy. Amoy oilatum ulit. Amoy karton. Pero eto, mas madulas na sa skin. Hantay ulit tayo ng 5 minutes para sa last step. Okay, so, hindi na nawala yung pagka-dewy niya. On to the last step. Ito na muna yung gagamitin ko, ha. Next couple of days na to. Kasi sayang naman to. So, ito yung pinaka-viral kasi ito yung parang nagbibigay ng, ano daw, glass skin effect. Gayon. Fairness. Tingnan natin, generous enough na ba yan? Pero be, ang chika dito, meron siyang SPF 50. May protection sa UVA, UVB. It's brightening and wrinkle improvement. Yun yung habol natin, dye. Wrinkle improvement, dye. Grabe po. After all of the skincare. Achieve naman yung extra dewy. So, let's count this as day 1. I'm going to use all the skincare daytime and nighttime. Samahan nyo na ako sa daily update ko para alam yun, mas feel nyo, mas kitang-kita natin kung magkakaroon nga ba ng difference. Mababrighten ba? Mababawasan ba yung mga rough textures ko? Yung mga sunspots ko? Yung mga ano ko dito, yung mga butlig ko dito, malilesen ba yung mga ganyan? So, tingnan natin anong difference ang makakuha natin like after a week, more than a week of use nitong Luxelle.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike as we hold.
Hello guys! Okay, so it is day 18, supposedly. Kaya lang yung mga products kaday ay hindi na umabot ng day 18. Ang natira na lang ay si facial wash. Iteshiwa si facial wash. So may laman pa tong sunscreen ko, pero bumili na ako ng backup nung na-restock yung mismong online shop ng Luxelle. Okay, so I will judge the products individually muna. Group project pero may individual grading ganon. So unahin ko muna si facial wash. Etong si facial wash, it's going to last you. Lalo na pag hindi ka naman bongga maglagay and you don't need a lot to like wash your entire face. Especially sa akin na I don't really wear foundation every day. So hindi ako nagda-double cleanse. Pero kung ikaw ay nagfa-foundation every day, lalo na mga heavy duty, full coverage na foundation, you need to double cleanse. So baka mas mabilis maubos to sa'yo kumpara doon sa mga tulad ko na hindi naman nagfa-foundation every day, hindi rin naman lumalabas every day. So hindi kailangan ng bonggang-bonggang linis. But I can say that this is a very gentle facial wash. Hindi na irritate yung skin ko. It has a little bit of moisture. It's gonna make your skin a little bit soft. Pero pag ito lang yung ginamit mo without a follow-up moisturizer, toner, moisturizer, serum, yung mga ganyan-ganyan, the softness and smoothness is not gonna last the entire day. For the serum, I love this. It's like a toner serum for me. Every time I put it on, nare-relax ako and it calms my skin. It really preps my skin for the moisturizer. What I don't like about this is dye! Hindi ito sustainable for me. Kasi parang kaunti ng laman niya for my frequent use. Kasi I use all these products day and night. Pero ubos siya, wala pang 17 days. So imagine kung how frequent ko bibilihin to in a month. And that's not sustainable for me. Medyo medyo namamahalan ako kung ganun siya kabilis maubos sa akin. Well, sinabi naman nila, it's just 30 ml. Kasi syempre pag naglagay ako nito, hindi ako yung isang wisik, and then pagkakasyahin ko sa entire face ko. That's not how serum works, okay? You have to be generous in putting it, not overly generous, pero syempre kailangan enough talaga, covered lahat. Yung, alam mo yun, hindi halatang natitipid ka. Syempre hindi ganun. Itong serum ng Small Steps, 1 month. Ubus na yung 1 month. But not less than, parang mga 15 days lang ata, ubus na itechiwa or wala pa. So yun. Pero maganda siya. Maganda naman siya. Nakaka-moisturize siya. Nakaka-calm ng skin. Etong Skin White Frost Cream, eto mas tumagal to. And I feel like mas sustainable to for me, budget-wise. Pero I love the moisturizing effect. Pagkagising ko sa umaga, I don't look dry. FYI, my skin is combination dry and normal. From super oily before, bago ko yung skin type ko to normal to dry. Extremely dry. Sahara Desert dry. So if your skin type is like mine, this is a very good cream to keep the moisture in. Na pagkagising mo is supple pa rin yung skin mo. Hindi dry at pag hinawakan mo, smooth pa rin naman. May napansin ba akong glow effect after more than 2 weeks of using it? Pero hindi siya yung parang, wow! Magically bonggang skin, ganyan-ganyan. After 2 weeks, kailangan mo itong gamitin for months before mo ma-achieve siguro yung mga pinapromise niyang benefits. Pero for 2 weeks, for more than 2 weeks, not bad. It did perform good naman. Na-achieve ko naman yung gusto kong moisturization, calming, or when I say calming, hindi galit na galit yung pores ko, lalo na dito. Yung mga maliliit na butlig, medyo umimpis naman siya. For this one, if you want parang sheen, yung parang glow, yung nakikita mo kay Heart Evangelista. If you want that, pwede mo ma-achieve yun using other sunscreen. Ang difference lang nito sa other sunscreen, somehow, pag nag-set na siya, para kang gumamit ng tinted sunscreen, pero hindi naman. Wala siyang katintin. Pero, pag tumitingin ako sa salamin after a couple of hours, para kang gumamit ng tinted sunscreen. Parang plakado yung mukha ko, pero hindi naman ako yung mukhang gumamit ng foundation. Alam mo yung ganong feels. Tapos, yung sheen, hindi siya forever magsistay sa skin mo na sheen. Mababawasan yung sheen na yon habang lumilipas yung oras. And then yun nga, para ka talaga may tinted sunscreen without, I mean, that's the best way I can explain it. Para ka nag-tinted sunscreen without actually using tinted sunscreen. Pantay yung skin tone mo, hindi maitim dito, basta parang pantay. Ganun yung experience ko, ha. Pero kung sheen lang naman ang habol mo, you can get it for mas mura dito. You can get it sa Small Steps, one of my favorites. You can get it definitely sa SPF BFF. And dito, surprisingly, sa Vice Cosmetics Invisible Shield Sun Cream. Okay, you can also get that sheen. Actually, madami pang mga sunscreen na kung yung sheen lang naman ang habol mo, parang a lot of sunscreens naman ganun yung effect niya. Kaya nga, bumili ako ng backup. Gagamitin ko to pag may lakad ako. Pero for daily use, I'm going to use my SPF BFF. Overall, do I recommend it? Kung relatively makinis ang mukha mo, or like mine, wala akong big bumps, wala akong huge pimples, I would recommend this. If moisture lang naman ang habol mo, maintain yung good skin, kung yun lang kailangan mo, lalo na if budget is not a problem, then go for the Luxelle products. Pero kung problem mo is acne and oily skin, hindi ito ang solusyon para doon. It's not gonna solve those problems. Kasi yung acne mo, check your hormones, check your gut health before looking for products. Unahin mo muna yung loob ng katawan mo bago yung labas. That's my number 1 tip. I don't think these are right products kung yun ang kailangan mo. Kasi these products will give you sheen. So imagine if you have big bumps. Real talk lang tayo, hindi ako nang o-okray whatsoever. If you have big bumps, namumulang mga pimple, tapos isi-sheen mo pa. So, parang galit na galit. Magiging galit na galit yung itsura ng ng acne mo. So, kung yun ang problema mo, I'm so sorry. I don't recommend these. Kasi pag ito talaga ginamit mo, yung set, sheen kung sheen da. Another thing, if limited ang budget mo for skincare, hindi ko rin mararecommend to. Medyo pricey siya for me. If you want yung medyo hawig nito ng effect, I recommend yung Small Steps. I swear to God, Small Steps. And yung mga favorites ko sa Fresh, yung Tomato Glass Light, you can achieve the brightening, the moisturizing using those products. But if budget is not a problem for you, go ahead. Kasi wala namang problema para sa akin yung mga products nito. Will I buy them again? No. makukuha ko yung mga kailangan ko using products na mas mura. Okay, masaya na akong na-try ko siya. At least I know na it works naman, pero wala siyang wow factor for me. Dahil more than 2 weeks ko pa lang naman siya ginagamit. Eh, ubos na! Nagagawin ko. Ayoko nang bumili! Mahal! Yeah, ikaw na bahala mag-judge kung sa lahat ng mga sinabi ko, these products are for you or not. Anyway, so yeah, that concludes this video. I hope nakatulong ako sa decision making mo if you're going to try Luxelle products. Next video natin, I think we're gonna wear test a foundation or skin tint. Oo, kasi meron ako nakitang skin tint. Affordable and I hope it's good. So, abangan nyo yung next video natin. Okay! Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!